Hi, I'm Dr. Quoelee from Vedanta College, Kolkata. I'm excited to walk you through our study, Genetic Variation of ApoE gene in Type 2 Diabetes mellitus, a systematic review and meta-analysis of case control studies. This from the big picture, we know that Type 2 Diabetes mellitus is a growing global concern. What makes it even more dangerous is its link to cardiovascular disease. Our study focuses on a specific gene, ApoE, for apolipoprotein E, which helps regulate lipid metabolism in our body. Now, this gene shows polymorphism. There are three alleles of this gene, epsilon 2, epsilon 3, epsilon 4. Among them, epsilon 4 has been suspected to linked with the increased risk of cardiovascular problem in diabetes people. So, we have asked a simple but important question. Is carrying the epsilon 4 variant of ApoE gene is truly linked to higher the risk of cardiovascular complication in diabetes people? So for answering this question, we have conducted a systematic review. We collected the data from different databases, PubMed, Scopus, Google Scholar. We have looked for studies from January 2014 to January 2025 and especially focuses on the studies that compared the ApoE genotype in type 2 diabetes patient with and without cardiovascular complication. We have followed the PRISMA guideline to ensure the transparent selection process and also used Newcastle Ottawa scale to assess the quality of the studies. For statistical analysis, including pooled odd ratios, meta-regression was done using randomized effect model in R. Out of the 20,600 record identified from the database, we have selected only 13 studies for the meta-analysis purpose. And this is the details list of these 13 studies. The details reference has also been included at the end of the presentation. Now coming into the results, our pool data analysis clearly showed that people with carrying the epsilon 4 variant showed higher risk of developing cardiovascular complication if they had diabetes. We have included 13 studies as it is included here, and it includes more than 4,500 cases and 5,200 controls. The odds ratio is 1.79, which is statistically significant. Even more interestingly, when we have looked for geographical differences, this showed that the Asian people showed higher risk as compared to African people. Our meta-regression analysis confirmed that geography plays a key role, explaining about 66% variability across studies. We have also checked for publication bias and found that there is little or no that much significant publication bias via the eager states. So what's the big takeaway? The study provides strong evidence that the epsilon 4 allele is a genetic risk factor for cardiovascular complication in diabetes patients, especially in certain population. This link help us to develop personalized healthcare strategies in near future. Thank you.